Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So today in this class we are going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is Tools to Tamper With. Okay, so what are these tools? A tool is an instrument or simple piece of equipment that we hold in our hands and use to do a particular kind of work. Okay, a tool is a small piece or an equipment which we hold in our hand to do our work is here. Okay, to do certain a particular kind of work. So what are the examples of tools? Hammer, knife, drill, screwdriver, etc. So these are the names of some of the tools. So first we'll see what is hammer. Why we use this hammer? This hammer is used to drive the screw or to the wood or to hit any object, to crack, to shape the metal. So for all those things we use the tool hammer. And why we use this knife? You know all those things. We use knife to cut anything, is it? To cut the vegetables, to slice the bread. So for all these things we use the tool knife. Okay, and drill. So what is this drill? This is an equipment. It is used to drill holes. Okay, if you want to drill holes on the wall to hang something, we use this drilling machine. We use this drill to drill the hole in an object in the wood or on the wall. Okay, so for all those things we use drill. And screwdriver. Why we use the screwdriver? The screwdriver is used to screw or unscrew the objects. Okay, if there is a screw in the wood or somewhere, we use the screwdriver. Okay, we use the screwdriver to unscrew, to remove the screw from the object or to screw the object. Okay, so we use this screwdriver. So like this, a tool is an instrument or a simple equipment that we hold in our hands to do a particular kind of work. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn several various tools and the names of the tools and why we use these tools. Okay, so while completing the textbook exercise we will learn one by one all the tools. Okay children. So children, now we will start writing the textbook exercise. Okay, so open your 7th 2 textbook, lesson number 5, tools to tamper with, page number 190. Okay, so you can see many pictures here. Okay, many pictures of various tools. We have to name them correctly. Okay, so shall we start? So we will move on to the first picture. So what is this? We call this as jack. Okay, so the first one you should write jack. J-A-C-K. Jack. So why we use this jack? Jack is a tool. Okay, it is a tool that is used to lift part of a car off the ground, from the ground, used when changing a wheel or tire. Okay, so sometimes when the car's tire is punctured, so what we should do when we are moving, when we are traveling? So this jack tool, we can lift a part of a car off the ground and we can change the wheel or a tire. So we use this jack equipment, jack tool for lifting a part of a car. Okay, next we'll move on to the second one. So what is this? We call this as wrench. Okay, so write down W-R-E-N-C-H, wrench. So this wrench, we will wrench or spanner. We call this as wrench or a spanner. So it is a tool used to provide grip and also to remove or tighten the nuts and bolts. Okay, so this tool we use to remove or tighten the nuts and bolt. Okay, next we'll move on to the third one. What is this? We call this as plane. Okay, so write down P-L-A-N-E, plane. So this tool is used by a carpenter. Why he uses this? To remove the rough surface, okay, to remove the rough surface on wood and for reducing it to size. Okay, if you want to remove the rough surface and also if you want to reduce the size of a wood, we use this tool called as plane. Okay, so this is used by a carpenter to remove the rough surfaces on the wood. Okay, next we'll move on to the fourth one. Okay, so what is this tool? So this is called as spade. Okay, so write down S-P-A-D-E, spade. Okay, so this spade, it is used in gardening. Okay, spade is a hand tool used to dig or loosen ground. Okay, it is used to dig or loosen ground or to break lumps in soil. So this tool, it is mainly used in gardening to dig or loosen the ground. Okay, next we'll move on to the fifth one. What is this? We call this as hoe. So write down H-O-E, hoe. So this tool is used by farmers. Okay, so this hoe is used by farmers. It is a hand tool used to shape soil, remove weeds, clear soil, and also harvest root or crops. Okay, so this is mainly used by the farmers. So it is a hand tool used to shape the soil. Okay, so next we'll move on to the sixth one. What is this? We call this as pliers. So write down P-L-I-E-R-S. So these are pliers, cutting pliers, will tell no. So this is a hand tool. Okay, it is used to hold objects firmly, also used for bending and compressing a wide range of material. So this is used to bend. Okay, bend and compressing a wide range of material. So these pliers are used for bend and compress a wide range of materials and also to hold objects firmly. Okay, next we'll move on to the seventh one. So what is this tool? It is called as trowel. So write down T-R-O-W-E-L, trowel. Okay, so this tool is called as trowel. So why we use this trowel? It is a small tool that is used by gardeners for digging holes. Okay, it is also used for spreading and smoothing mortar or plaster. Okay, so the construction work people also use this tool for the plastering purpose, also plastering the cement, everything, and also it is used by the gardeners for digging holes. Okay, next we'll move on to the eighth one. So what is this tool? Yes, this is called as drill. Okay, write down D-R-I-L-L, drill. So as I told you before, this tool, it is used to drill. It is used for making round holes. Okay, this tool is used for making round holes. Okay, next we'll move on to the ninth one. So what is this tool? Yes, it is called as screwdriver. Okay, yes, C-R-E-W-D-R-I-V-E-R, screwdriver. So why we use the screwdriver? It is used for screwing and unscrewing the screws. Okay. So you all know screws. It will be like a nails type. Okay. So next we'll move on to the 10th one. So what we call this tool as? It is chisel. Write down C-H-I-S-E-L, chisel. So why we use this? It is used for carving or cutting a hard material such as wood, stone or metals by hand. Okay, so this is used to cut, carve, okay, so wood, stone or metals, these things by hand. So we use this chisel for cutting or carving. Okay, next we'll move on to the 11th question. What is this? Yes, this is called as axe. A-X-E, axe. So why we use this axe? Yes, so axe is used to cut. Why? It's used to cut heavy wood. Is it? So axe is used to shape, split or also cut the wood. Okay, next we'll move on to the 12th one. What is this? Yes, it is knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. So why we use knife? Knife is used to cut, slice, is it? Cut the vegetables, fruits and slicing the breads. For all this purpose we use this knife. Okay. Next, 13th one. So what do we call this as? It is saw. S-A-W. We call this as saw. Okay, so it is a tool consisting of a tough blade. It is used to cut through materials. Okay, very often wood, sometimes metal or stone also. So it is used to cut through materials. Very often wood, sometimes metals or even stone also. We use this saw to cut down. Okay. Next, the last one. What is this? Yes, we call this as hammer. Is it? H-A-M-M-E-R. Hammer. So why we use this hammer? It is used to drive nails into a wood. Okay. Or to shape metal or to crush rock also. So it is used for driving, shaping and breaking heavy objects. Okay, so these are some of the tools name. So write down neatly in your textbook. Okay children, so first one is jack, second is wrench, third is plane, spade, hoe, pliers, trowel, drill, screwdriver, chisel, axe, knife, saw and the last is hammer. Write down neatly in your textbook. Okay. So children, now we have completed lesson number 5, tools to tamper with. Is it? And this chapter we have learned some of the names of the tools and why we use this. Next we'll move on to lesson number 6. The chapter name is nicknames. Okay, so what is this nicknames? Nickname is the substitute for the proper name of a person, place or thing. It is commonly used to express affection. It is a form of endearment and amusement. Okay, so you might all have been a nickname, is it children? So why we use this nickname? It is a type of what? Affection, is it? A love. So we use nicknames for also for place, okay, a person. So some of you all have been a nickname, is it? So like this, our famous personalities also have nicknames. Okay. For example, I'll tell you Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was called as Bapu. So Bapu is the nickname of Mahatma Gandhi. And Sarojini Naidu. So Sarojini Naidu's nickname is Nightingale of India. So these are the examples of nicknames. So why nicknames is used? It is commonly used to express love and affection. So in this chapter we are going to learn some of the nicknames of famous personalities. Okay. So while filling the exercises, we will learn some of the nicknames of the famous personalities. Okay. So children, see lesson number 6. The chapter name is Nicknames. Page number 191. Okay. So you can see some of the pictures of famous personalities here, is it? So what they have given here, many famous personalities of India have been given nicknames by their admirers. Match the personalities with their nicknames correctly. So you can see here the alphabets from A to K. They have given the nicknames of these personalities. So we have to match them. Okay, so see the first one, Subhash Chandra Bose. So it's already been done, one for us. What is this? They have given the alphabet E. So what is this? It is Netaji. So the Subhash Chandra Bose nickname, we call him as Netaji. So they have already mentioned here E. Okay. Next we'll see what is the second one, Mother Teresa. So what is the nickname of Mother Teresa? We call her as Saint of Gutters. Okay. So what is the alphabet here? It is C. So write down here in the circle C. Okay, so Mother Teresa's nickname is Saint of Gutters. Write down C in the circle. Okay, children. Next we'll move on to the third one. Who is he? Yes, so he is our father of the nation. Who is he? Mahatma Gandhi. So what do we call him a nickname? Yes, as I told you before, we call him as Bapu. So where is Bapu here? Yes, can you find here? It is A. So what we should write in the circle? A. Okay, so Mahatma Gandhi's nickname is Bapu. Next we'll move on to fourth one, Sarojini Naidu. So what is the nickname of Sarojini Naidu? As I told you before, is it? We call her as Nightingale of India. See here, B. So what we should write in the circle? Write B. Okay. So Nightingale of India is Sarojini Naidu. Next. Yes. Who is he? Sachin Tendulkar. So what is the nickname of Sachin Tendulkar? Yes. We call him as Master Blaster. So where is it? It is in D. Is it? So write down D in the circle. So Sachin Tendulkar's nickname we call him as Master Blaster. Okay. So number 6. Who is he? Even he is a cricketer. He is Rahul Dravid. So what is his nickname? We call him as Jammy. Okay. So his nickname is Jammy. So it is in J, is it? Write down J in the circle. Okay. Next we'll move on to the 7th one. Who is he? Yes, he is Harbhajan Singh. Okay. So what do we call him as? What is his nickname? We call him as Bajji. Okay. So it is in H. Is it? Write down H. Okay. H in the circle. Okay children. Harbhajan's nickname is Bajji. Okay. H. Next we'll move on to the 8th one. Who is he? Vishwanath Anand. Okay. Vishwanath Anand. He is a famous big chess player. Okay. So what is his nickname? We call him as Vishy. Okay, so it is in G, right? Write down G in the circle. Okay, next we'll move on to ninth one. Who is she? So she is an artist, film actress, is it? She is Karishma Kapoor. So what is her nickname? We call her nickname is Lolo. So write down, what is the alphabet? Yes, I. Okay. Next we'll move on to the 10th one. Who is he? Yes, Amitabh Bachchan. So what is his nickname? It is Big B. Okay, so it is an alphabet F. So write down F in the circle. Okay, children. Next we'll move on to the last one. Yes, who is this famous personality? Yes, he is APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, so what is his nickname? We call him as Missile Man. Okay, so it is an alphabet K. So write down K in the circle. Okay, so like this you have to fill it. Okay, children, write down neatly. Okay. So write all those things in your textbook neatly. Okay, children? So children, now we have completed lesson number 5 and lesson number 6. Lesson number 5, tools to tamper with. In this chapter we have learned various tools name and why we use this, is it? And lesson number 6, nicknames. In this chapter we have learned the nicknames of our famous personality. So write down all the textbook exercise neatly in your textbook. Okay, children? So here is the time to end the session. In the next session, we'll be with the new chapter. Okay? Thank you.